Well, why don't you take a look at this beautiful view? My name's Luke, the Cookin camper, and here is Zena, the Glamper camper. Our campsite today is at about 5,300 feet in the rolling mountains and hills near Cherry, Arizona. Today we are right along the side of the road like a hitchhiker, so we will be making Hitchhiker Nachos. Well, this 8-ingredient recipe is gonna blow your mind. First, we have our spice mix. This includes hot Hungarian paprika, ground cumin, and garlic powder. Here we have the start of a cheese sauce with 8 ounces of our favorite processed cheese, along with 1/8 of a cup unsweetened cashew milk. Now, the only other ingredients you'll need are a pound of ground beef, 1/4 of a cup of sour cream, and 2 single-serve packages of America's favorite nacho cheese chips. Well, here's my sous chef, Zena. We've already got our generator turned on. We've got a large skillet and a meat chopper. The first step is we'll just turn on our induction cooktop. We'll take it pretty high, maybe like a medium high. And then we will immediately drop in our 1 pound of ground beef. And you can just start chopping away. So this has cooked for about 5 to 7 minutes or until there's no pink left in the hamburger. Now the next step is to dump in the spice mix. And you will stir that around so that those spices can get toasted up and all the hamburger will get covered. Now this hamburger meat is almost finished. The last step will be tossing in the sour cream. But first, the spices are incorporated. You're going to go ahead and turn off the heat. You don't want the sour cream to get all bubbly. Then you're going to drop in that sour cream, and then we will just slide that around. Now the sour cream is going to make this meat extra creamy and luscious for our nachos. Now the final delicious step of these nachos is the assembly. Here is that cheese sauce that I made with the processed cheese. Now I'll show you how I made it. Now you're going to place the processed cheese and the cashew milk in a microwave-safe bowl. Microwave this at either 30-second or 15-second intervals, stirring in between. Now you do need to watch to make sure that the cheese does not bubble over. You're going to continue to do this until the cheese sauce is completely melted. Now you just take that luscious cheese and you just drizzle it all over the top. Now you need to put every single drop of this cheese on these. Before we put all the cheese, however, we can layer on some of our meat. Now we'll do some more cheese. And we'll finish off with the rest of our meat. Well, here is the finished product. Nachos good enough for any hitchhiker and especially good enough for Zena. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, we'd love it if you could give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also, hit that bell icon so you can be notified every time we upload a video. Zena and I hope that you can get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.